Hello everyone, this is the Simplified dashboard from where you can access everything related to your courses and other options. First, this is a section for those who have enrolled for CHCP program. Here you will be able to see the modules that you have to complete before each of the level, which means before you join the classroom training for each of these levels, you have to finish these online modules. On this side, you also see those particular programs that you have either started or enrolled for and the course progress for each of them. There will be more options available on this particular page that you can check. For example, you could add some to-do lists and some tasks over here. Any discussions, any notes that you have added to individual sections will be added over here. Now, this video is more about quickly looking at the different menu options that you have. So dashboard we have already checked. Courses would include a list of all the course that you're enrolled for. So once you visit this particular page, you will find a list of all the courses that are enrolled for. If you would like to go and check out the details of the program, then you can click on the title. Or if you would like to continue or start a program, you could click on this button. So first let's check out how does the course detail look like. So here is the course detail, gives you a brief idea about what this program would cover. You can also click this button to start the course, or going back to the previous page, you can click this button and you will be taken to a page like this, and you will start from where you have left the course previous time. Now this is where you will check out the affiliate section, which means if you have become an affiliate for iCharts, you will find details about how the affiliate system works on this particular page. Each of these links are sublinks, and you will notice that on each of these links there are some videos or help instructions available, something like this. So please go through these videos, especially if you have become an affiliate of iCharts. You can go to your profile and edit your profile from here. So this section gives you an overview of the profile. You can edit the profile over here. This bio is what is visible on your profile page. Add your date of birth. If you want to list your company name, you can add it over here, and if you're looking for a GSTIN number on your bill, you could add over here. Save changes. Changes saved. Also remember to add your profile photo. This is extremely important. So you could go to this particular page. You can either upload a photo, you can take a photo directly from your webcam. So I'm currently going to just upload a photo. The photo will be uploaded. I have an option to crop the photo. All your notification options are available over here, which means these are the different notifications you have received. And then you have the settings section. This is where you can change your email address, you can change your password. You could look at the different notification options over here. What would you like to get notified about? And you can also mark some of your fields to be hidden by others. So these are all the options for the profile. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. You can use the contact us over here and connect with us via the contact us form available on that particular page.